Hello friends, it's Awilda here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I have my girls Evie and her bestie Elena. They're going to be joining us as we do some unboxing of some mini brand items. So up first is the MiniVerse Make It Mini Valentines. I did buy this a while back and I was supposed to do an unboxing, and I honestly stored this away to film it later and I misplaced where I put it, and I finally found it, so I'm just going to unbox this one. I'm also going to be unboxing one of these little Zuru My Mini babies. I had them all stored together with the intent of that my intention was to open these all up, and I honestly couldn't find the package. I had stored them away and finally found them. And the last one we're going to be unpackaging is going to be another one of the Zuru babies. I have no clue which is what. I know that I've had these all put away together and I finally found them, so I'm just going to be unboxing them for you today. So we're going to unbox this one first. I'll put the other two away and we'll get started with this one. So I'm guessing this is for the table. So I'm assuming you get one of these four in the package. I'm not too sure which one I'm going to be getting because I randomly grabbed one of these and I really don't know what's inside of it. So as I can see here, it's a heart-shaped table, which I think it's cute. Oh, we got the candy. That's adorable. The gold tongs. The little hammer. The XO mat. We also got the little sprinkles. And we also got the resin here, so we're going to be assembling this later. Now, I've been hearing chatter that there is a way to find out what kind of baby you want by either weighing it or anything like that, but to be honest, I didn't do that. I honestly had already purchased these on a whim one day, and I had put them away and I lost where I put them until recently. So I didn't check for weight or any pinholes or anything like that. But I just thought whatever I get I'm happy with. I just wanted to kind of collect them because I was curious to see what was inside. So we're just going to start opening this one up. So these are the four that can be in the collection, and like I said, I only purchased two of them, so I'm not too sure which one I got, but they're all really cute in their own way. I really like them all. So to be honest, I'm kind of hoping to get either this one or this one. I think those two might be my favorite, and then second would be this one, and then last would be this, only because I'm not too fond of the archway here. But other than that, I think I'd appreciate any of them that I have. So it looks like we only get 3 packaging. I have no clue what these are, so I guess we'll open this one here. It feels like the biggest. Yeah, I got the baby with the arch. I think it's cute. It's just, I don't know, to me, seeing the arch, it looks like a, oh, it's not too bad. I thought it was going to be like a really huge arch, but it isn't that bad. Why is it twisted though? That's kind of weird. Is it supposed to be twisted? That's weird shaped, but I don't know. I guess it goes in like this. Oh, and here comes the directions on how to do that. I'm assuming it's the directions. is the directions on how to put this together. And this adorable little outfit came with it. That is adorable. It's got the cute little bow detail here. It is adorable, and it has like a tulle front with little stars on it and some sparkle, and then the skirting underneath it. And it has a cute little, I guess it would be where the babies would put their legs through. And then of course the little straps. And in the back it has the Velcro that you can slip it on the baby. That's adorable. I love this little outfit. So I'm assuming that makes the baby a girl. That's adorable. Oh, and this is the pieces that we have to assemble. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. The little bow that goes in the baby's head. That's adorable. So I'm assuming we have to assemble this. So I'm going to do this off camera. Here she is assembled. It looks a lot prettier than I thought it was going to look. It's still a little bit bowed for some reason. I can't get that fixed yet. I'm sure if I keep trying I can work it. And I'm assuming you get to snap it here in place. But I'm not going to do that just yet because I want to see what else is in here. So I'm just going to place it on the side here. Also, it came with this adorable little pacifier. This is the cutest thing I have seen in a long time. It is the tiniest, cutest little thing. I thought that was adorable. So I can't wait to see what the baby looks like. Oh my gosh. That's adorable. Oh my gosh, it's super soft. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the little hair. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is adorable. She is so cute. The little tiny hands and the adorable little feet. Oh my gosh, this is truly adorable. The cutest thing. Oh my gosh. I didn't think I was going to like it this much. Wow. It is so soft and very bendy. Like, the body just very, very, like, oh my gosh, this is adorable. Oh, wow. Cute little girl. I'm going to dress her now in her little outfit. Look how adorable she is. Or her little footsies. The little dress. The hairband. And the pacifier. This is so adorable. And then you get to lay her in here. She gets to take a little nap. This is adorable. I really like this a lot. I didn't think I was going to like this as much as I do. This is so adorable. Now I'm thinking I might make some alterations to this and possibly make it place this in some sort of swing instead of having this arch. I might have my husband 3D print something that I can make it into like a swing so that baby lays in there and swings. But she is so adorable. Now we're going to be unboxing this second My Mini Baby. I just realized, what if I have doubles? This feels like the baby. So we're going to open this one up first. I think it is going to be a double. Maybe she'll have twins. Oh, no, it's different. It's the... Oh, wow. That is very pretty. It's the heart-shaped bassinet, so that's adorable with the super soft insert. I have no clue what is inside, so... Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh, that's adorable. It looks like an outfit. So we have here the little heart. It's kind of a weird shaped heart, I have to say, but it is really, really cute. Kind of just odd shaped. We'll put it here. And then this looks like the little cap that the baby's going to wear with a little heart-shaped end. And this looks like a blanket. The swaddle. Is it going to be a swaddle? And then I'm assuming this is the baby. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love it. Adorable. Oh my goodness. This is adorable. Look at him. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it so much. Look how, and so soft. They're both so soft. This is adorable. Oh my gosh. So cute. Put his little hat on him. He's adorable. I'm assuming it's a he. I don't know. But he is adorable. Look at him. Cover his little ears up. That's adorable. Oh my gosh. And then we're going to swaddle him. Which I don't know how to do. I haven't swaddled a baby in 18 years. Because my youngest is 18 years old, so I need to figure out how to swaddle this baby real quick. So here he is, all swaddled up. I have to practice my swaddling skills because I haven't done this in a long time. But this is the little baby, swaddled up on his little outfit. Adorable. I absolutely love it. And the details on this is amazing. It is such a beautiful baby. Oh my gosh, I love them both so much. They're so beautiful. Like, I cannot, like, I did not expect them to be this cool. We're going to be unboxing this MiniVerse Make It Mini baby food. Oh wow, this opens up differently. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. The little adorable little baby bottles that looks like a bear and a bunny. It's actually very nicely created. I can probably make something out of this. Like a giant stroller for the baby. It just needs wheels. Oh my gosh, I just realized there's a baby inside. I didn't know this comes with a baby. I thought it just came with like baby food. That's adorable. Comes in a little blanket. Now this one isn't as detailed as the other babies. It's got a little diaper. And I have to say, it's not as detailed. I love the diaper. And it's not as soft or as flexible as the other two babies are. It's a little firmer. But still a really cute baby, but just not as I like the other two babies better. This one feels a little stiffer. But still very cute. And I also like this. It's a plastic little holder, like a bassinet for the baby. I would probably use it as a prop in the background of some storytelling. And I'm going to look inside and see what it is that we're supposed to be collecting. Because I just randomly grabbed one of these and I had no clue what's inside. So it looks like you get to collect any of these. And then I'm assuming it's based off the baby. And we have a blue blanket. So I'm assuming that's either a boy or it's a gender neutral baby. Because I don't see any blues here. Each baby comes with its own. Oh, I think it's this one. Because it's got the blanket and then it's got the little bottles. Sorry about that, my batteries died. So I was looking through the MiniVerse baby food booklet here just to figure out which baby I have. And it looks like I did get this one here, so I'm going to continue opening it up and checking out what it is that we need to do. In the back it does show instructions on what to do, so I am going to kind of look through and see what it is I need to do and follow the instructions. We have the bottle brush cleaner, adorable little dish soap, which is so cute, and the drying rack for the bottles. Very cute. I'm guessing this will be the formula. Oh, yeah. So we have the kettle. the formula and the little spoon. That's adorable. And the formula. I was finally able to get the bottles out of the packaging, so this is what it looks like out of the packaging. The little bear and the little bunny. So cute. And they twist to open, and it has a little tip, which I'm assuming you can pull out or twist. So that's everything for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so yet, make sure to subscribe and also click on the notification bell so you'll be notified of when I post future videos. Until next time, guys, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.